Hi everyone. Welcome back to Easy Learn. In this quick video, we're going to explore one of Excel's smartest tools, Flash Fill. It's a simple and powerful feature that helps you extract, combine, separate, or format data automatically, without using any formulas. Let's get started. Let's have a look at how Flash Fill can be used to extract data from a range. Here we have a list of email addresses in column B, listed vertically, like alex.roy@gmail.com, emma.watson@yahoo.com, and rahul.varma@outlook.com. We want to extract the username, which is the part before the @ into column C, and the email provider, the part after the @ into column D. In C2, type the username from the first email. For example, if B2 says alex.roy@gmail.com, type alex.roy in C2 and press Enter. Now simply press Ctrl+E, and all usernames appear instantly. Next, in D2, type the email provider. For example, gmail.com and press Enter. Press Ctrl+E again, and Excel fills the rest automatically. That's how quickly you can extract parts of text from a cell using Flash Fill. Now, let's see how Flash Fill can be used to combine data from multiple cells. Here we have first names in column B and last names in column C, and we want to join them into full names in column D. Let's explore how to do this using Flash Fill feature. In D2, type the first full name, for example, Alex Roy, and press Enter. Then press Ctrl+E, and Excel instantly fills the rest of the full names for you. No formulas, no extra steps, just one shortcut. Next, let's explore how Flash Fill can be used to separate data, such as extracting the year from a date of birth. Suppose column B contains full dates like March 15, 2015. You want to separate the year from it and enter it in column C. To do this, in column C2, type just the year. Here it is 2015. Type and press Enter. Then press Ctrl+E. Excel automatically detects the pattern and fills the rest of the years for you. It's that simple. Finally, let's see how Flash Fill can be used for formatting text. In column B, we have names typed in inconsistent cases. To correct them, type one name properly in column C. Let's type James Smith in correct format. Press Enter. Then press Ctrl+E. Excel automatically corrects the formatting for all names. If you'd like them all in uppercase instead, type one name in all caps. Press Enter. Then press Ctrl+E. Excel converts the entire list into uppercase in seconds. So to recap, Flash Fill helps you extract specific parts of text, combine data from multiple columns, separate details like years from dates, and instantly correct formatting or change text case. Just remember the shortcut, Ctrl+E, and Excel does the rest. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe for more lessons from Easy Learn. Watch more videos that help you use Excel simply and effectively. Thanks for watching.